Hello everyone, happy to meet you this week. So I hope you all remember what is this parts of speech and what are the 8 parts of speech and what is noun and what is this abstract noun and concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, and when it comes to pronoun, what is this personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, right, and possessive pronoun. Okay, in this class we are going to see what is this relative pronoun. Okay, so this relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously, whether they are people, places, things, animals, or ideas. So these are all called relative pronoun. Okay, so the most common words, most common are which, that, whose, whoever, whomever, who, and whom. Okay, so these are all called relative pronoun. Okay, in some situations the words what, when, and where can also function as relative pronoun. I already told you these are the words we are using every day, in our everyday conversation, but we have no idea which those words comes under which pronoun, right? Okay, so look at this. I already told you who, whom, what, where, that, right, which these comes under relative pronoun. We'll see the example. The cyclist who won the race trained hard. Look at this. This is called relative pronoun. Here the cyclist who won the race. We are mentioning the cyclist, right? So this is called relative pronoun. Okay, the cyclist who won the race trained hard. We are talking about the cyclist using the word who. Okay, the pants that I bought yesterday are already stained. Okay, the pants that I bought, here that mentions the pants, right? So this is called relative pronoun. Okay, the 4 team leaders, whoever the committee selects, will be at tomorrow's meeting. The 4 team leaders, whoever, we are talking about that 4 leaders, whoever selecting for the team will have the meeting tomorrow. Alright, and spaghetti, which we eat at least twice a week, is one of my family's favorite meals. Spaghetti is a kind of food, so we are talking about that spaghetti. We are using the word which. This is called relative pronoun. Okay, so where did you buy the dress that you wore last week? Look at this. We are using the word where and this word that. Okay, so that you wore last week, you are relatively, you are giving connection to that dress, right? So that you wore last week. Okay, so the book, when it was finally returned, was torn and stained. I told you, right? The word where, what, when comes sometimes comes under this relative pronoun. This when comes here. And the store on the corner where we usually buy all of our art supplies burned to the ground. Okay, you are telling your son or daughter that where we usually buy all our groceries, that store got burned, right? So these are called relative pronoun. Okay, I hope you understand what is this relative pronoun. And look at this this relative pronoun. Just look at the definition. Is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously. I told you, right? The cyclist who won the race. Okay, so it's because of his hard work, right? So here the refer to nouns mentioned previously. It can be people, places, things, animals, or ideas. So these are all the words comes under relative pronoun, and I have explained with the examples. Okay, so what is this interrogative pronoun? Interrogative itself, it tells talking about questions, right? So an interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used to make asking questions easy. Okay, so we'll see the 5 interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, whom, whose, all W questions. Okay, so look at this. The first one is who threw the football? Which would you prefer, coffee or tea? What time do we need to be at the airport? Whose car is that? Whom did you tell? Who wants ice cream? Okay, what is your name? Where are you going? So these are all called, using all W questions, these are all called interrogative pronouns. Okay, so thank you guys. So this week we have seen 2 types of pronoun. One is relative pronoun and the next one is interrogative pronoun. I hope you remember the words comes under this relative pronoun, like which, that, whose, whoever, whomever, who and whom. Sometimes this what, when and where. And interrogative, all W questions. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you understand what is this interrogative pronoun and also the relative pronoun. Yes, thank you.